What's up, everybody? This is Dr. Nick with Leverage Media, and today I want to talk to you about the 3 reasons why you should be creating a monthly blog for your website. So I'm here in front of 770 Broadway, which is the home of the Huffington Post. Huffington Post is probably the most successful, profitable blog. I think when I looked it up, it makes about $42 million per month in revenue. Fun fact about the Huffington Post is it actually was co-founded by Andrew Breitbart, who started Breitbart.com, which is obviously a right-leaning website. Huffington Post left-leaning, but I didn't know that when I did a little bit of research about it. So anyway, why you should be doing this for your practice is, number one, it gives you a good rhythm. Like, monthly blogs are a good frequency to be doing content on your blog. Because we're local businesses, Google is not crawling our sites every day or maybe even every week. So once a month, having new content out there is a really good rhythm for it. I'd much rather you do 12 blogs over the course of the year, spread out, month by month, instead of doing 12 blogs, putting them all up there at once. You won't get as much value out of that. So number one, it gives you good Google juice, gives you relevancy and importance in Google's eyes. So, because most of your competition isn't doing anything in terms of original content on their website, so it's a great thing to be able to do. Number two is it gives you a piece of content that you can promote on social media. The nice part about blogs is it's going to drive traffic back to your website versus like a video that you post on Facebook or Instagram. They're going to consume it on Facebook or Instagram. If you post a blog, it'll allow you to, and you put money behind it, it'll allow you to put a link that can link back to your website. That's going to help you drive traffic back to the website. And then if they are on your website reading the blog, hopefully they see some value in that and they'll search around and look for some more things. Let's see, what was number 3? SEO. Oh, okay. And then number 3 is going to be that when you do get visitors to your website, a blog that is geared towards the conditions that you help or the populations that you help will help to convert more traffic if they do end up searching around your website, maybe looking for specific keywords. Your blog can pop up. So anytime you can put more content onto your website, it's going to help to convert the traffic that's already there. So whether they're coming from Google ads, whether they're coming from referrals, whether they're coming from organic SEO, being able to get people onto the website and then having that be more of a content platform to where you can then add value to that searcher, it's going to be more likely that person is going to call your office. So if you are not writing a monthly blog right now, I strongly recommend it. It's a great way to boost the traffic and the relevancy in Google's eyes. So hopefully you guys get started, and we'll see you on the next one.